I'm not sure what's going on over there. He was standing by the culvert and a truck pulled up and he kind of waved at the truck. I'm on my way to stick something in the mailbox and saw this, so I'm not sure what's going on. I'm going to hang the camera around my neck. See if I can... Oh, the water's starting to come over the driveway now. Oh, just in time. I just put something in the mailbox for you. Here. And I got your note about fixing the mailbox, so we'll work on that. Yeah, I know.
It almost falls off. I'm like, oh crap.
I know.
Thank you.
Thanks.
So the water up there is going underneath.
She just said the water up there is going under the road, or over the road in 2 big spots. So they're talking about the water flow over there.